Are you on a weight loss journey but can't give up your daily coffee fix? You are not alone. Today, I'm doing a restaurant breakdown on everyone's favorite coffee chain, Starbucks. Today, I'm going to reveal the healthiest menu options that will let you enjoy your favorites without compromising on your goals. If you want to keep your carbs and your calories in check while still getting your caffeine kick, then stay tuned. I'm about to spill the beans on what you should be ordering at Starbucks to keep both your taste buds and your waistline happy. If this is the first time you've seen me or clicked on one of my videos, I'm Dr. Ashley, a weight loss expert and the founder of PhD Weight Loss, where we've helped over 7,200 people drop over 260,000 pounds across the US. And my goal is to help you get the science-backed information you need to actually drop the weight, but keep it off and live the best life possible. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. So let's start with cold PhD Weight Loss approved coffee drinks. When I'm talking about these, I'm talking about a tall size, so 12 ounces. And I'm not very into calories. I never count calories. I don't count calories for our PhD weight loss clients either, but I know a lot of you watching this might still speak in calorie terms. So I'm going to be mentioning how many calories you'd be getting. I look more at carbs and sugars, so I'm going to be mentioning total carbs as well for each drink. Okay, so the first up is the classic, an iced black coffee or an iced Americano. What you could do is add a splash of heavy cream and then maybe 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla if you're open to it, if you want something sweet. If you don't want something sweet, you can just omit any of the sweeteners there. This would be similar to if you ordered an iced blonde vanilla latte. So if you ordered this drink, a tall, again, 12 ounces, it'd be 125 calories and less than 6 grams of carbs. The customization that you would make is you would say 1 pump of vanilla syrup, or if sugar-free would be even better, 1 pump of sugar-free syrup, and then you'd say omit the milk and sub with 1 ounce of heavy cream. Second option for a drink would be an iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. It'd be around 125 calories again, about 6 grams of carbs or less, and the customization that you would make would be 1 pump of brown sugar syrup, omit the oat milk. Oat milk, by the way, spikes your blood sugar like crazy, so you'd omit the oat milk and you'd sub in 1 ounce or 2 ounces of heavy cream with some cinnamon on top. Another option, if you don't want the coffee, you could do an iced matcha green tea latte, same amount, about 125 calories, less than 6 grams of total carbs, and the customization would be 1 scoop of matcha powder, omit the milk again, and sub in 1 ounce of heavy cream and maybe 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla syrup if you like it on the sweeter side. Number 4 would be an iced green tea, really 0 to 20 calories and no carbs. When ordering this, you would make sure that you order it unsweetened. You could, of course, add a lemon wedge, or if you do want it kind of sweet, you could ask for just a splash of lemonade if desired. Number 5 would be an iced black tea lemonade, about 20 calories, less than 5 grams of carbs. You would ask for it to be unsweetened, and you could say light lemonade, or again, a splash of lemonade if you want it a little bit sweet. Another option would be a tall nitro cold brew. This would get you around 5 to 100 calories, 0 carbs. You would say a splash of heavy cream, or you could ask for a splash of coconut milk. That would add some sweetness from it because there is some sugar in the coconut milk, and you could add a dash of cinnamon if you like that. Okay, let's talk about some hot PhD weight loss approved coffee drinks. So first up, again, is the classic, a black coffee or an Americano. This is my favorite drink. I always add 1 ounce of steamed heavy cream, and then sometimes if I want something sweet, I'll ask for 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla. You could do a cinnamon dolce latte. This would get you about 130 calories, less than 6 grams of carbs, and the customization that you would order is 1 pump of cinnamon dolce syrup, omit the milk, and ask for 1 ounce of steamed heavy cream and maybe that cinnamon dolce topping, just light on all of that. Number 3 could be a London Fog tea latte, which is my second favorite. It would give you about 90 calories, less than 5 grams of carbs or sugars. You would have the Earl Grey tea bags. You'd ask for no milk, omit the milk, and 1 ounce again of steamed heavy cream, and maybe 1 pump of vanilla syrup, or even better, if you want your carbs to be even lower, 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla sweetener. You could do this drink iced or hot, and this would be an alternative for chai tea. And this is my 3rd favorite drink when I go. And I usually get it hot, but I'm a fan of hot drinks. The calories in this one would be about 100 calories and 6 or less grams of carbs. So what you would do, and this is super confusing when you go and you order this at Starbucks, so you have to say it like 3 times before they understand. What you're asking for is brewed chai tea bags. You don't want the premix of the chai tea. It's very confusing. So you're going to ask for brewed chai tea bags, not the mix. You're going to, if it's cold, ask for a splash of heavy cream, a dash of cinnamon, and if you want it sweet, maybe 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla. And then you can do the same thing hot, but when you ask for the heavy cream, make sure, this makes the difference, make sure you ask for steamed heavy cream. And then if you want it sweet, 1 pump of sweetener. The next hot drink would be a cappuccino, and you're customizing it with, again, my favorite, heavy cream. If you did this, it's around 60 calories, less than 4 grams of carbs, and you'd be asking for no milk, heavy cream instead, a sprinkle of cinnamon or cocoa powder, and those are your options. They're so delicious. If you're really looking for food, you could go for the bacon and Gruyere egg bites or the kale and mushroom egg bites. They're low in carbs, high in protein, which makes them a really great choice. They're also pretty darn satisfying, and I think they're tasty. They keep you full for a long time, and they are not going to spike your blood sugar. So you could get one of these drinks that I mentioned and then accompany it with some egg bites. Sometimes Starbucks has good snack packs of salami and cheese, or almond packs, or even moon cheese, which is PhD approved. Usually when I'm traveling, I do visit a Starbucks just because I always know there are good options, especially in the airports. All right, I hope you got some good Starbucks options that you are excited about. And it's not just Starbucks I'm talking about. You could take this to your local coffee shop, which I love to frequent as well, and order similar things. Give some of these options a try, and I want you to let me know in the comments what you think. If you want a printout version of everything I've shared here, I put a link to a guide in the description. Check it out and reference it the next time you go to any coffee shop. I hope you enjoy.